Prime rib is the king when it comes to big cuts of beef. This is a standing rib roast, called that way because it stands on its ribs as it cooks. When thinking about your party, think about one rib for every 2 people. Our favorite butchers are skilled at helping you find the right size and cut for your party. We recommend going for the USDA Prime rib. This will be delicious with just salt and pepper, but we like to zhuzh it up with a little bit of dried herbs, some rosemary, some thyme, black pepper, powdered garlic, powdered onions, and some salt. Getting a dry rub on is real simple. Just sprinkle and let it all fall off. You don't have to worry about neatness, just make sure that all covers the top. This is called the 500-degree prime rib, meaning we're blasting this prime rib in the oven, calculating 5 minutes for each pound, cutting the heat, and then letting it sit in the oven for 2 hours, and do not open the door. After 2 hours sitting in the oven at residual heat, this is what your prime rib looks like. It's golden, it's beautiful, and you're gonna let it sit for 20 minutes, let it rest, so all of those flavors marry each other, and then you're ready to slice and enjoy. Most people like their prime rib medium rare. With this recipe, you can't go wrong. If you like what you see, follow us for more.